Green bean, snap bean, string bean, they are all the same thing. Green beans are a type of legume, a family of plants that include peas, beans, soybeans, lentils, and many others. Compared to dry bean varieties like pinto or black beans, green beans are lower in total calories and carbohydrates, but are still packed with beneficial nutrients. Among those are folate, a B vitamin which our body needs to maintain healthy cells and grow new ones. Folate is especially important for women during the early stages of pregnancy, as it helps prevent neural tube defects. Like many other vegetables, green beans are high in phytonutrients, which serve as antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents within our metabolism to help us stay fit and healthy. While many of us are familiar with the traditional green bean casserole served during Thanksgiving, there are healthier alternatives to regularly include green beans in your diet. For a little extra crunch, consider adding fresh green beans to your next salad or soup. Instead of sautéing or deep frying green beans, try steaming or baking them as a way to keep calorie intake low while consuming as many beneficial nutrients as possible.